Artificial intelligence, AI, is connected to all kinds of products and services. From personalized recommendations on music and video streaming services to the incoming era of connected cameras and autonomous cars, AI is changing our lives in enormous ways. But what exactly is AI and how does it work? Let's discuss a complete guide today. Welcome to the AI Tech Vision, and for this video we'll be talking about artificial intelligence and what it's all about. But before that, make sure you subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get updated on our future uploads. It'll also be nice if you give this video a like and share it with your friends. We're starting with a short history. In 1956, John McCarthy and Marvin Minsky, who brought the term AI, described it as a task performed by a program or machine that, were a human to do the same task, would require few intelligences to complete. The definition has advanced somewhat in the past 65 years. Still, generally, all AI systems include the following behavior we associate with human intelligence: planning, learning, reasoning, knowledge representation, problem-solving, manipulation, and creativity. Let's now dive into the 7 types of AI here. 3 types of AI-based capabilities include narrow AI, general AI, and super AI. 4 types of AI based on functionalities include reactive machines, limited theory, theory of mind, and self-awareness. Don't get confused, I'll explain every type of AI for your better understanding. So, let's get started. Number 1. Narrow AI. Narrow AI, also expressed as Artificial Narrow Intelligence, ANI, refers to the AI systems trained to perform only the particular tasks they have been programmed for. They will not perform anything more than what they are designed for and have a narrow range of competencies. Apple Siri is an example of a narrow AI that helps the customers or users with its voice recognition capabilities and renders important answers to their questions. The most complex artificial intelligence systems that utilize machine learning and deep learning to educate themselves fall under this category of narrow AI. Number 2. General AI. General AI, or Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, is the ability of an AI specialist to perceive and understand things similar to how a real human does. This type of AI has been programmed to build multiple competencies freely and form connections over other domains. In a way, this helps in cutting down the time required for training purposes. Luckily, this makes the AI systems just as competent as humans by replicating multifunctional capabilities in every possible way. Number 3. Super AI. Super AI, or Artificial Superintelligence, ASI, has gotten to be the apex of AI research. In addition to duplicating the dynamic insights of humans, they will be able to emulate tasks with a more phenomenal memory, faster data analysis and processing, and revamped decision-making capabilities. The ASI understands human sentiments and customer experiences and brings out emotions in series of its own. Frequently, humans have doubted its credibility and labeled it hypothetical to some degree. Number 4. Reactive machines. A reactive machine is the simple form of AI that does not keep up with the memories or past customer information to decide future actions. It only works with the current information that it has right in front. It has been considered the oldest form of AI system with low capability and competency. They do not have memory-based functionality and thus cease the ability to learn. Hence, reactive machines can only automatically respond to a limited set or combination of inputs given. Artificial intelligence is an innovation that builds smart machines from tremendous volumes of data. It endeavors to perform human-like tasks with improved speed, precision, and efficiency. The AI algorithms are based on complex methods to derive intelligent decisions independently. Deep learning and machine learning form the core of artificial intelligence. Let's now have next on the list, Number 5. Limited memory. Limited memory machines have the same capabilities as the reactive ones and learn from past information to make decisions. Nearly every application of AI that we're using in our everyday lives falls under this category. For example, an image recognition AI is trained by using hundreds of pictures and labels to enable the products it scans. Thus, when this AI scans an image, the customers can see similar products that match the requirements in a related fashion. Number 6. Theory of mind. Whereas both reactive and limited memory machines have been seen and used in our lives in a few ways, the theory of mind and self-awareness is not that copiously found. They are still in the concept stage. Needless to say, the AI industry is already in the growing loop. Accomplishing the theory of mind level of AI will require enormous development in other branches of AI as well to get functional in our daily lives. This is mostly because the AI machines will need to perceive humans as individuals whose minds need to be read and understood. Number 7. Self-awareness. Self-awareness is said to be the last type of AI. An AI has evolved so much, just like the human mind, that it has achieved self-awareness. Making and keeping up this type of AI is the key objective of the research behind this. Once the AI becomes self-aware, the system would have ideas that can outmaneuver the intellect of any human and plot expound schemes to take over the entire humankind. Scary, isn't it? Let us know what you think in the comments section, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for watching more informative content in the future. So, what's next? What benefits is AI providing us? Let's explore. There are many ways to characterize artificial intelligence, but the more important discussion surrounds what AI empowers you to do. End-to-end efficiency. AI kills friction and improves analytics and resource utilization across your organization, resulting in noteworthy cost reductions. It can also automate complex forms and minimize downtime by predicting maintenance needs. Improved accuracy in decision-making. AI expands human insights with rich analytics and pattern prediction capabilities to improve representative decisions, quality, efficiency, and creativity. Brilliant offerings. Because machines think differently from humans, they can reveal gaps and opportunities in the market more rapidly, helping you introduce new products, services, channels, and business models with a level of speed and quality that wasn't possible before. Empowered representatives. AI can handle mundane activities while representatives spend more time fulfilling high-value tasks. In a general sense, changing the way work is done and strengthening the role of individuals to drive growth, AI is projected to boost labor productivity. Utilizing AI can moreover unlock the mind-blowing potential of talent with disabilities while helping all workers flourish. Superior customer service. Continuous machine learning gives a constant flow of 360-degree customer experiences for hyper-personalization. From 24/7 chatbots to faster help desk routing, businesses can use AI to curate data in real time and provide high-touch experiences that drive development, retention, and overall satisfaction. AI is used in many ways, but the prevailing truth is that your AI technique is your business technique. To maximize your return on AI ventures, identify your business priorities and determine how AI can help. Alright guys, before wrapping up this video, let's look at the bright future of AI. According to Accenture's report, AI Built to Scale, 84% of business administrators believe they will need to use AI to attain their growth objectives. However, 76% acknowledge battling with how to scale AI across their businesses. AI often helps you define your business value. There are endless ways to use AI, so how do organizations choose what to focus on? To scale effectively, begin by defining what value means to your business. Then assess and prioritize the different applications of AI against those key objectives. It empowers you to adjust your workforce. The growing force of AI calls for a different, reconfigured workforce to support and scale it. Despite early fears that artificial intelligence and automation would lead to work loss, the future of AI pivots on human-machine collaboration and the need to reshape talent and ways of working. It establishes governance and ethical framework. Organizations must design their AI technique with trust in mind. This means building the right governance structures and making sure moral standards are interpreted into developing algorithms and software. Applying these factors effectively can help organizations unlock exponential value and remain competitive. As a result, AI is no longer simply nice to have, but is crucial to a business's future. No doubt, guys, the next AI revolution will be built by people like you to pursue your passions and change the future of business using all things AI, analytics, and automation. So, what are you waiting for? Have you enjoyed this video? Then leave us a like. You can also comment down below your thoughts about this technology and share this video with your friends and know what they think about this. Also, don't forget to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so you'll get updated for our future uploads. Once again, this is AI Tech Vision, and that's all about AI for now. Thanks for watching.